Well, good Sunday evening to you. Hopefully you had a good day today. You know, the rain held off. We had the cloud cover for most of us, and now as you can see, the sun has set. But we were looking at some darker clouds moving in from the southwest earlier, and that's due to some shower activity that's mainly south of I-20 at this time. Temperatures warming up a few degrees warmer than what we were expecting today. Got a little bit more sunshine, and all in all, not a bad evening. A little bit on the chillier side, though. Temperatures across the ArkLaMiss, mainly in the upper 40s to lower 50s, and Monticello has been kind of off air the last couple days or so, but I imagine that most of the same is occurring in that location. But you know, temperatures, they're going to be just kind of holding at where we're at. Live storm tracker Doppler radar brought to you by UM Young shows that shower and even some isolated thunderstorm activity mainly south of I-20. And if we could animate this out, it's going to be moving mainly towards the northeast, although it's kind of this belt of rain is going to be moving towards the east, and then all of it just kind of moving towards the north. And that'll be the case tonight. There is more coming as we have this area of disturbed weather down to the southwest and a cold front that's starting to approach. And as I mentioned yesterday, those systems that the cold front that we talked about and that system towards the southwest, they're starting to essentially combine, and that's why we're starting to see the forcing for lift for these showers and storms, and then behind that cold front, much cooler air for the first half of the work week or so. So let's time this out future tracker wise. Again, showers just still continuing to filter in for the remainder of the evening. Monday at 12 a.m. looking like pretty much widespread heavy rain for most of the ArkLaMiss, and this will continue till about noon tomorrow. And as you can see, there's heavier pockets. Don't be surprised if you hear some thunder and lightning too, because we have enough instability in the atmosphere for thunderstorm activity. Good news is not expecting severe weather out of this. And then the heavier rain will subside to a lighter rain, and then eventually taper off to showers by tomorrow evening, and then we dry out, and that's when that much colder air spills in, going to be giving us freezing temperatures for most of the ArkLaMiss. So for tonight, only dropping down to about 44, again with the moisture in the air, not going to get as cold as what we had the last couple nights, still be on the chillier side with those showers filtering in. Then for tomorrow, not warming up much with all that cloud cover and rain activity across the area. We're going to see highs in the upper 40s, showers and storms early, and then as I mentioned, rain tapering to showers later in the evening. And with the cold weather coming up, just remember, we're going to have a hard freeze on Wednesday morning, and just remember to cover up sensitive plants, bring those pets inside, let your pipes drip, especially for those in southern Arkansas, and check your car batteries too, because sometimes this cold weather can really zap the energy out of them, and you might have to take a few extra minutes to jump your car battery especially for Tuesday and Wednesday mornings, as temperatures looking like they're going to be in the middle 20s for both now Wednesday and Thursday morning, excuse me. So cold air sticking around at least for a few couple days, but I have good news for you. We do dry out, warming up just in time for the weekend, and at least weather-wise looking quiet for now, and maybe having some more rain just off the 7-day, but as it is now, you couldn't have asked for a better weekend.
Yeah, I mean, it starts off kind of ugly, a little wet and cold, but then going into the weekend, it looks like, I can deal with 60s.
Yeah, and unfortunately not talking about any snow or any winter weather with this, which I guess is good news because we don't really want to deal with that, but just not cold enough with this system.
Gotcha, cool deal. Thanks, Brian. We'll still come on NBC 10 News at 5.